The sky and sea along the east coast of South Florida, from Hallandale and Hollywood Beach to Dania Beach, plus exhilarating activities, lure people here from all over the world. The Hollywood Beach Broadwalk should be at the top of your list with a wonderful array of shops and restaurants, including the new Margaritaville Beach Resort Entertainment Complex, where you can eat, enjoy the spa, or even body surf on Flow Rider. An incredible array of golf courses are at your disposal, like the Diplomat Golf Resort and Spa. Life revolves around the sea with cruise ships, water taxis, jet skis, and fishing charters. Fishing is also a big attraction, with the Dania Beach Pier and Marina as a primary destination for locals and tourists alike. Book your dream Florida vacation with Val Gal Vacation Rentals today.